Croeso i M-SParc. Ond be am i chi ddod hefo fi am dro i weld beth sy'n digwydd yn y lle yma? Y syniadau anhygoel, y bobl anhygoel, a'r busnesau sy'n creu swyddi ansawdd yn yr rhanbarth.
Here at M-SParc, we're developing plastic alternatives using seaweed. We really thank M-SParc for inviting us on the Welsh Government trade mission visit to Germany. That helps us to increase our European connections.
Da ni'n helpu busnesau dyfu. Blwyddyn yma, da di helpu dros 100 o busnesau lleol.
We're focused on making AI available and accessible to all. Thank you M-SParc for taking us to MIT on the Welsh Government Trade Mission. We found it incredibly insightful and beneficial.
We're an award-winning software consultancy made up entirely of Bangor graduates. We've recently moved into M-SParc and have just hired 2 new Bangor graduates to help us grow.
Platform digwyddiadau hybrid newydd, rwan yn cyflogi 7 o bobl, 2 o Academi Sgiliau.
Iawn, Steve dwi o Creiad Cyf a da ni ran o het creadigol 3 cwmni yn cyfuno fe'i gilydd i gael 3 gwasanaeth gwych yn swyddfa ni. Da!
We are experts in animated video production, AR and VR. Since being at M-SParc, we have gained through grant funding, which has helped our company to progress as it is.
The company was founded in North Wales 18 years ago, and we employ 50 people currently and are proud to call M-SParc our home. Do you know why I put my hands down? My wife goes, you just do that with your hands all the time.
We started life in the Enterprise Hub. We were then supported through the Level Up Accelerator programme. We're now a virtual tenant here, and we've recently closed our seed funding round with support from M-SParc as well. Ta-da!
We're a creative agency based here at M-SParc. We've worked with a number of the businesses based here as well, including M-SParc's own website.
Bangor University is the proud owner of M-SParc, which provides great opportunities for our students. The Science Park also gives our researchers the opportunity to work with industrial partners to develop innovative ideas. M-SParc enables more effective commercialisation of those ideas to benefit Wales and beyond.
Mae Prifysgol Bangor efo man deori yn M-SParc, lle mae myfyrwyr a graddedigion efo syniadau busnes yn cael swyddfeydd am ddim.
High Technologies has been in M-SParc since we graduated from Bangor University.
Since receiving 2 members of the Skills Academy, support and funding through the Level Up Accelerator and mentoring through our fellow tenants in the community, we've managed to get to our first funding round to take us to the point we are ready to scale.
Materials were spun out of Bangor University. We're currently working on extracting biologically active compounds and interesting fatty acids from native plants here at M-SParc.
We at the Nuclear Futures Institute are doing some really exciting research into low carbon energy, and here at M-SParc we house our big industrial rigs where we combine academia and industry to help us down that commercial pathway.
Mae tenantiaid yn cael llawer o gymorth. Blwyddyn yma, da ni wedi ariannu oddeutu 100,000 drwy prosiectau fatha lefel nesaf, cylliddyfu a'n telepau cydweithio.
Drwy'n Academi Sgiliau, da ni wedi helpu cyflogi dros 40 o bobl leol ym meysydd gwyddoniaeth a technoleg gan helpu llenwi o bwlch sgiliau. Ac ar rheini, mae 4 wedi dod yn ôl i fyw yng Nghymru o Manceinion, Lerpwl, Llundain a Texas.
Da ni hefyd gweithio efo partneriaid fel Bank for the Cymru, Global Welsh a British Business Bank i alluogi mynediad i'n tenantiaid i arbenigedd i alluogi twf. Drwy'n rhagan lefel nesaf a'n rhwydwaith angylion, mae'n tenantiaid hefyd yn cael cyfle i pitio'n bres. Da ni hefyd yn cydweithio efo rhai o'r tenantiaid ar ceisiadau ariannol.
Da ni hefyd yn M-SParc ar y lôn a dros Gogledd y Llewn Cymru a Rhys Strydoedd Conwy, Gwynedd a Mon. Dewch i ddod helo.
Da ni hefyd yn gwneud gwaith sgiliau gyda pobl ifanc, plant, ysgolion a'r gymuned mwyn helpu cael glos sgiliau a rhai mynediad i swyddi da i bobl lleol.
Mae gen i'n tîm llawn yn M-SParc yn helpu ni cyrraedd ein targed o fod net zero erbyn 2030.
Da ni hefyd yn gweithio efo busnesau i adolygu ôl-troed carbon nhw.
A hefyd, da ni'n cydweithio efo prosiectau carbon isel ar draws yr ardal.
So yma yn y tîm digydol yn M-SParc, da ni'n helpu'n tenantiaid i fynd â'i syniadau allan i'r byd i ni gwahaniaethu pobl cyffredin. Da ni hefyd yn gweithio yn agos efo'r prifysgol i ddod ar ymchwil sydd gyda nhw a'r sgiliau sydd gyda myfyrwyr allan i cymunedau ni i wneud gwahaniaeth.
Coelwch neu beidio, da ni ond i crafu'r wyneb efo beth sy'n mynd ymlaen yn y fideo yma. Felly dewch ar y siwrna hefo ni, ymunwch ar cyfryngau cymdeithasol, ymunwch ar rhestr postio a dewch i'n digwyddiadau ni. Dwi'n edrych ymlaen i weld chi ar rhan o siwrna M-SParc.
I didn't know what the heck was.
Oh, yeah, we have got one of those clickable ones.
That good? Right, no pressure.
Yeah.
I do it like that.
I get so excited.
Okay.
Hanna well.
Brendan, have you?
Just be on chdi, ista.
I can see the tree!
Go on, shoot, allan.